could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Sebastian Carter here. I just woke up, did a vlog today. I'll see you guys when I get out of school or in here in a second. Alright, guys, time my shoe. Let's do this. Let's see what we got in here. You want to see me work on my throwing? Okay. Where's the ball? Are you serious? Okay, guys, hang on. I'm gonna get the ball. Okay, I got it. Alright, let's do this again. Terrible. Let me get my phone. Got my phone. Let's see what's still over here. Midnight. The cat ran off the rooster. Stop being an ass, dude. Come on, Midnight. It's been awesome. Sorry for not uploading, guys. It's hard. It was my birthday yesterday. And I got the camera that I'm recording on right now. But dude, guys, look at these clouds. Zoom in. So I really don't know what to do. I don't have anything to do. So this might be the video, guys. This will be the first vlog. Hope you guys did enjoy. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. I love you. Sorry. Crap. I love you guys. Keep up the good work. And peace out. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back from school. Doing the vlog. Just got done watching my man, Roman Atwood. Shout out to my friend Gil. He's got me excited. He knows why I'm not going to tell you. It's kind of childish. So yeah, let's go. Hey, y'all want to go outside? They want to go outside? Tell them I'll be out here. Oh, man. Holy Jesus. Guys, I gotta show you this. Look at those clouds. It doesn't do justice, dude. Sorry about that. I guess I'm gonna set you down so I can tie my shoe on. Actually, I'll see you guys when I get done tying my shoe. Okay, what's going on, guys? We're in the store. Gotta get butter. I'm not selling butter. Let's give this here butter. Can you show me where your butter is? Can you show me where your butter is?
Butter?
Yeah.
Stick burner or ball burner?
Bowl.
You want a big one or?
That looks like honey, doesn't it? Is that honey?
Honey spread. Yeah.
I'll take the stick.
Your stick?
Yeah. Thank you. Alright, thank you.
$184.
Huh?
Camera just moving.
I do this for my YouTube channel. Thank you. What do you need help with?
In the morning and the dad.
Me and
Oh,
you.
when I get the dog food?
So what do you think about the puppy?
Well, no, what kind of...
It's a little dog.
See how everything is.
It's a little dog. But
Totally that.
and I'm trying to get him to send me a picture of it. He's tried to send me a picture of it all day, but it won't send. So. It's a beautiful dog, Mama.
What kind of dog is it?
It's I don't know. He says you don't know.
Chicken Wawa or what?
Yeah, it's a chicken Wawa.
Hold on, son.
It's a chihuahua. Mama, it's got the face.
Y'all stink. See, Daddy can't even clean those stuff.
Mama, it's got the face of like a
No.
English bulldog, but it's not an English dog. You know what I mean?
Is it a French?
Yeah. No, it's not a French bulldog. I don't know. I'll have to show you a picture, Mama. It's beautiful, I swear.
Oh, yeah.
You are nasty up in there.
Stop.
Ain't it?
Well, get me some water.
Okay.
Here.
Give me the thing. Going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. Just doing it. You come hold this for me?
I'm going on a bear hunt. I'm going on a bear hunt.
Record me while we build this up.
I'm going on a bear hunt. I'm going on a bear hunt. I'm going on a bear hunt.
Alright.
So you don't tell me to shut up.
Go away!
Stop, chill. Mama!
I'm just trying to get in front of that camera. I didn't mean to. Turn around, look at me. Alright, come here. I'm just sitting here filling up the water.
No, Mom and Daddy don't see this.
Oh, that's cold.
How do you turn this thing on?
Camera, please.
Can you pause it?
No, we'll have to stop recording. Oh man, I done got myself wet. There you go.
Why can't you do a simple thing? Get the gate. Gate.
I'm not gay. So, can I have the puppy or not?
You will not get no puppy.
Yes, I am.
Building.
My friend's giving it to me for a birthday present.